Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to be doing a GK quiz based on the topic abbreviations of competitive exams. Before starting, I would like to tell you that if you are not following my Facebook page, then do follow my Facebook page because I upload all the essays and the question answers as well as the notes PDF on my Facebook page, so do follow it also. So now let's get started with today's video. The first question is, what is the full form of NEET? And the correct answer is National Eligibility Cum Entrance Test. What is the full form of JEE? And the correct answer is Joint Entrance Examination. Now the next is, what is the full form of GMAT? And the correct answer is Graduate Management Admission Test. What is the full form of GATE? And the correct answer is Graduate Aptitude Test in Engineering. Now the next question is, what is the full form of TOEFL? And the correct answer is Test of English as a Foreign Language. What is the full form of CDS exam? And the correct answer is Combined Defense Services Examination. Now the next question is, what is the full form of CAT? And the correct answer is Common Admission Test. Now the next is, what is the full form of CLAT? And the correct answer is Common Law Admission Test. What is the full form of GRE? And the correct answer is Graduate Record Examinations. Now the next is, what is the full form of CTET? And the correct answer is Central Teacher Eligibility Test. Now the last question is, what is the full form of SEED? And the correct answer is Common Entrance Examination for Design. If this video was helpful to you, then please like and share my video with your friends, and also don't forget to subscribe my channel. The link to my Facebook page is given in the description box, so do check out the description box as well. Thanks for watching. Bye bye and take care, and now I will meet you in my next video.